What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make some extra money online using the Placeit logo generator. They've recently updated it, made it a lot more intuitive and easy to use. It actually cranks out logos in bulk all at once. You make minor changes like what text you want to include, stuff like that. It renders them all in bulk at the same time, and then you select the ones you like and you can make additional tweaks after that, like changing colors, changing text, etc. But this, I think, opens the door to potentially like offering services as a logo designer. Or here's the thing, it's not just about logos for businesses. I know that's where our minds go initially, but you can actually sell these as print-on-demand designs as well. Like, it doesn't have to be framed as a business logo or product logo. A lot of these can easily translate into print-on-demand designs that can sell. So I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know in this video. Let's get started. Now, you guys have seen me talk about Fiverr in previous videos. I don't think this is a best kept secret anymore. You can go to Fiverr and you can hire people to do things for you. They pretty much cover the entire spectrum of what I would consider to be business related solutions on Fiverr. But it's one thing to hire people to help you scale your business. It's another to see Fiverr as an opportunity to make money selling a service. Now, you might be thinking, but I suck at graphic design. Why would I want to sell logos on Fiverr? And that is why I'm here, to show you how easily you can make multiple logos, which your clients are gonna love if you get hired to make them logos. All right, and by the way, notice what you see at the top here on Fiverr, real quick, over my shoulder. You see ads, all right? Take a hint. The listings getting the most visibility, the gigs, are the ones running ads. Now, ads aren't always required to be successful, but if you're not gonna run ads, you gotta give it some time to scale up. But also you can jump right in, increase the price of your gig, and then run some ads to instantly get some additional visibility. You can see here, the ones at the top tend to cost from $25 to up to $100. So guys, if there are people out here making $100 per gig, getting hired to do logo design, I think that means the door is open for you to make anywhere in that range, $25, $50, $100. You'll see over time how this is gonna work. But again, you have to take that first step. You have to open that door for that possibility to even have a chance at being probable. So I'll drop a link to Fiverr in the description. I know a lot of you guys are already on Fiverr, but hit that switch to selling button in the top right and list something. All right, I've listed on Fiverr before. If I'm doing it, I think you guys can do it too, right? This is just making money online 101. You got to actually put yourself out there where people are looking to hire you for things that you can fulfill. This is an easy one. All right. Next, enter Placeit. All right, I'm going to also drop a link to Placeit in the description. When you log in, of course, Placeit is known, I think, primarily for their mockups. All right, not just for t-shirt mockups. They've got products, just the whole spectrum of print-on-demand products that we can sell covered as far as their mockups, and they're constantly adding new ones, and they take requests if you have something that you would like to see that isn't already there. So Placeit really just knocks it out of the park when it comes to mockups. But you can actually go up to where it says logos and just click any of these. It's actually going to open the door for you to do any style of logo that you want. You can click show more and it'll load in more of the templates. But what I'm going to do is actually just change fantasy, which is just the one that I clicked up there. You can go up to the very top and just go to logos all. And you'll notice they have just a ton of different logos, templates basically, built into Placeit. Now, this is what I really love. Up here where it says company name, you can type in whatever you want. You could say logo design, right? You could use this as your Fiverr gig cover. Put logo design, and then in your Fiverr gig where you need to upload images to market to people who are potential buyers, you can literally show them, hey, look at all these awesome logos that I designed for this gig. Have you guys ever been on Fiverr before? Like, let's click, one of these. Now look, these images are their attempt to sell you on hiring them based on the work they've done in the past. All right. Now you can easily make a bunch of logos. Like, you know what I mean? It could be your name, whatever name you use to sell on Fiverr. And you don't have to just use Fiverr, right? You can market this gig anywhere you want. By the way, Craigslist is free. Why wouldn't you list there? And again, you can take these and turn them into print-on-demand designs. What I'm really trying to just show you is there's so many ways to turn your time into money online. But the problem is, like, a lot of people are going to hear this video and not take the first step of opening a seller account on a platform like Fiverr. Or when I say Craigslist, did you guys laugh? Because I'm not kidding when I say Craigslist. Like, I don't know where you live, but where I live, I mean, hey, there's a lot of people on Craigslist and it's free it's literally free visibility. All right. So, and it depends, I guess. If it's like you're posting a job, they might charge you now, but I don't know. You can probably get a little bit cute with how you create this listing and bypass having to pay Craigslist, but just saying. So here we go in the logo designer. All right. I typed in logo design and I'm kind of saying, hey, we could go and make a couple images here for our Fiverr listing. This guy's charging $50 and his listing isn't even, let's be honest. I mean, this isn't even good. You know what I mean? For a $50 listing. And he's already got 54 5-star reviews as a level 2 seller. All right. Like, if he can do it, I'm confident you know what I mean? I'm confident you can too. You could literally just print screen like this, highlight 2 rows of the logos, save that as an image. Boom. That's one of your images for your listing. All right. Like, I'm really about taking action and like making this stuff a reality. You know what I mean? That's how all of the big success stories that you hear when you go to YouTube and you see the talking heads on screen that are successful and you want to be like them. But like, how did we get here? Because we took action. So I'm just saying, I'm not saying everybody today all of a sudden needs to be a Fiverr seller, but this is just such easy, low-hanging fruit. And guys, it costs nothing to sell on Fiverr. All right. I repeat, costs nothing. So again, it's just a question of, do you have it in you to take that first step and then take the second step? Or is it just, paralysis over analysis, whatever, over analysis paralysis. Anyways, here we go. So the logo design, we typed in logo design. Let's say somebody hires you and they say, hey, like, I want to start a, I need a logo for my, I've seen this actually, for my, son's, this isn't me. This is like, I've seen somebody say this to me, for my son's new YouTube channel about gaming. All right. So let's just say his name is Ryan. So we type in Ryan. We change the drop down here, logos. Let's scroll down. Let's see if they have gaming covered. Gaming right here. And then you can actually click gaming all. Now these are all auto sorted by most popular. And now you can just give it a quick scroll. All right. I even saw PUBG in here under the gaming. They have PUBG. That's a game that I've definitely played a lot of. Counter-Strike I've played a lot of. Dota I've played a lot of. World of Warcraft, if that's in here. Like, they have just a ton of different logos, which isn't even necessary, honestly. Just gaming all. Notice it put the name Ryan in there. You could deliver this, like, this could be an upsell, okay? Again, I'm coming back to Fiverr. Apologies if you guys are tired of hearing about it. But in Fiverr, you can offer the basic package, the standard, and the premium. Why not make your premium multiple options, right? And you could say your premium is, you get 50 options. Your standard is, standard can be 20 options and basic can be like 5 options, right? And customers are going to love that you give them options. And of course you can take their feedback as well, or like if they have any specific requests, but they cover just a really wide spectrum with all the different logo templates that are pre-built into Placeit that literally they all queue up. All you need to do is come to the logo section, enter your text or not. You can also remove the text and it'll just put little default placeholders in there, right? You see what I'm saying? It puts the placeholders in there. So if you needed ideas as well, like you could even use these as is and then go in manually and add in whatever changes you feel like might need to be made. There's just so many ways to utilize these. We used gaming as an example here, but check out all of these different things that they've got. They've got YouTubers, right? You want to start a YouTube channel. Look at all the YouTube logos possible here. Beyond that, they've got jewelry, right? It could be a jewelry store, streetwear, DJing, right? DJing. I did the DJ shirt last week. There's just so many graffiti, right? More music, podcast logos. There you go. Everybody's got a podcast these days. How about marketing? Because it's one thing to say logo design, which is going to return the most competition. You see 14,000 services available. What if you type in podcast logo? Uh-oh, now we're getting strategic. Now you're competing with like 10% of what you were competing with on the more broad, more generic logo design, custom logo. Now we typed in podcast logo and we have 1,500 different services that we're competing with. You see how the strategy can make a huge difference instead of just saying, oh, it's too, just like we always say, right? It doesn't even matter. Insert business proposition. Oh, it's too saturated. I'm not even going to try, right? Don't be that person. Come on. The logo designer here in Placeit is just something additional that you get with Placeit. And again, a lot of these can translate into beautiful print-on-demand designs. So don't limit your thinking into just, oh, I'm going to all of a sudden be a logo designer, right? It doesn't have to stop there, right? You can turn a lot of these into nice looking t-shirts, all right? But beyond that, don't forget, where they really thrive to me is their apparel mockups. That's what I use Placeit the most for, all right? So I don't want to lose sight of that. And something that I did also want to mention is that when you have a logo that you like, all right, they'll actually on the sidebar here, I don't know if it's going to show it right here, but they'll give you a apparel mockups with the logo. And as you can see here, this is a nice opportunity to upsell your clients. Anybody that hires you for logo design, you can upsell them on also offering them print on demand apparel with their new logo on it. And you have the mockups delivered right here by Placeit, a nice little value add there for an upsell to maximize the value of that transaction. So guys, check out Placeit. Check out Fiverr if you want to list there. Again, it's free unless something changed in the last couple months. I still have some gigs on Fiverr and I definitely don't pay them. So I don't know if anything changed, but I'm assuming not. This is just another way of making money online, guys. It's so much fun to monetize your time. I hope you found this video useful. I hope you take action if it's something you're interested in. All the links are in the description. Please hit that like button on your way out, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video.